How to make a homemade sweet and spicy Mumbo chili sauce my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a pot on medium to low heat, add half a cup of the tomato paste. Now add the 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Pour in the white wine vinegar or the distilled white vinegar, a half cup of pineapple juice, pour in 1 cup of sugar. Please feel free to add more or less sugar based on your personal preference. Add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, or as we say, soy sauce. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Two tablespoons of the sweet chili sauce. A half teaspoon of hot sauce. One or more teaspoons of sriracha sauce. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons of water. Using a whisk or a spoon, mix all of the ingredients in your mumbo sauce until they are well combined. Taste and adjust any seasonings if needed to your personal preference. Cook the mumbo sauce for 30 to 45 minutes on medium to low heat. The mumbo sauce is done when it has been reduced to half and has reached a low boil. My homemade sweet and spicy Mumbo chili sauce my way can be used on meats, fish, pasta, anything of your heart's desire. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is Philly Crew by Danny KEAN and Doug Maxwell, available at the YouTube free audio library. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.